Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the SpareBank 1 biometric login not working. First, make sure your biometric login such as Face ID or Fingerprint is enabled. Go to your app settings app, then go to Face ID and passcode and make sure that the biometric login such as your Face ID or Fingerprint is enabled in the app settings. Then turn it on if it's disabled. Check if your phone's biometric feature is working properly. Try unlocking your device using your fingerprint or your face to confirm it works. Then restart your phone and open the app again. Temporary glitches can sometimes prevent biometric login from working. Then head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for the app and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version as outdated updates updates often fix bugs related to login features. If the issue continues, disable biometric login in the app and set it up again from the beginning. That's how you fix this SpareBank 1 biometric login not working. Subscribe for more